You people are not aware about law. Yes, your counterpart is absolutely not aware about the law that this is dying declaration. I have examined at least 10 cases in Bihar. Neither the counterpart nor the judge. If that is so, it was duty of the prosecution to examine the doctor, prove all papers of his medical treatment on record, examine the doctor to show that after 3 months death occurred because of gunshot injuries caused 3 months earlier. Death is because of septicemia due to gunshot injuries. Then, and I am cocksure that prosecution wing is not even aware about this fact. That I am sure. Produce the record and point it out, I will lose. And unless and until I would have told, nobody was even aware that this is dying declaration. This can be used as a dying declaration. Yes. What is your evidence, by the way, regarding death after 2 or 3 months? What evidence you have adduced regarding death of this first informant?
The witnesses simply said that I heard that he died.
Witnesses simply, what is this? I was sleeping. Whose job is to track the witness, first informant? If he died, he must have been died in some hospital. There must have been some post-mortem examination. Is there any investigation in that regard? Did the prosecution ask a simple single question to the investigating officer regarding death of this first informant? How he died? Was his death attributed to the injuries suffered in the incident? No. So why you are wasting our time? This is not the tuition class. Yes.
I've given a lot of short notes. That may
Yes.
That may kindly be.
Yes. So first, just satisfy me how this first informant died and what is there on record regarding his death.
That is what I say. It is very pathetic to say that yes. Not even a single cheat of paper. The case is
even somebody orally reported.
Only orally, not only orally. Even I can't say how they investigated and how they did. The case is that the husband and wife, the informant along.
They were going for evening.
Going to his.
This group, these family members abused them and yes. Then fired bullets on both of them. Both received injuries. Yes. Wife died. Yes. Husband survived for lodging the FIR. After few months, according to him, husband died. Then whether something has been brought on record to show cause of death of husband.
Now, according to the prosecution, the case is that the police came. Somebody says that the informant was taken to hospital, Bhabua hospital. Even the family member says कि तुरंत चोट लगी. Then we took him to Bhabua hospital where the police came and there was a statement. But from the FIR it appears further that it was recorded at the place of occurrence itself. That too after 2 hours. And one of the witnesses has stated that for 2 hours he was sitting at that very place and the dead body was also there. Now, Lord,
मैं आप बेलाव थाना के दरोजा के समक्ष दुवेली गांव में पूर्वा छोड़ के कालिस्तान के नजदीक अपना बयान जख्मी हाल में बिना पूर्वा छोड़ व्हाट इज दिस पूर्वा छोड़ कालिस्तान
eastern part of the
eastern side
दुवेली गांव yes Kalistan yes on the spot the FIR was lost.
The FIR says that the first band is recorded at the place itself. 2 hours before the occurrence took place, one of the witnesses says कि वो बैठ गए उठ करके after receiving injuries, and thereafter when the police came, the statement was recorded. Then he was taken to Bhabua hospital.
Yes.
But even the police who brought him to hospital, they might have got the requisition of his injury. That has not been proved. Even at Bhabua Sadar hospital, he was examined, treated, no paper. Then he was referred to BHU, no paper, no post-mortem.
As a trial court judge, our prosecutors used to place on record bedhead tickets. Bedhead tickets means entire file of treatment of the victim, right from admission till death or admission till discharge. No. And that used to be proved by examining the attending doctor.
No.
How he was treated, what was his condition, stage by stage, and how he died.
Nothing was
or
there.
How he survived.
Yes.
But here I have never seen that. No, here we never recover even the murder weapon.
That, Lord, is a dream for us कि किसी में अगर if it is recovered, then certainly, Lord, the case will end in acquittal, because it is never sent for test. Whether
Forensic.
that was being used or not, that is not done yet.
Ballistic expert.
Ballistic. I have never seen a case in which, Lord, the ballistic expert has been examined.
Prior to coming here, I have never seen a case under Arms Act where there was no ballistic report.
Even, Lord, the cartridge are recovered, they are unable to prove if from this very cartridge, this was the cartridge which was used for killing.
But because of that, it is very easy to decide cases here. Oral evidence either accepted or rejected. End of the matter.
Problem is not that nobody is being trained.
No,
There is no any training from any side, and the government is also not interested in doing these cases. They are only because obliging the
Government
person.
is busy in liquor cases. That is those are most important cases, not these double murder cases. Chalo, yes.
No, कोई नहीं हुआ, no police वाला.
Let us proceed by record.
हाँ, ये.